quantum computation occurs in many parallel universes. Yep, this proves that theory is where we're doing the computations.
Something strange is happening. AI is detecting patterns in the universe that shouldn't exist, and Grok 3, one of the most advanced AI systems ever, just revealed something that has scientists questioning if reality itself is real. For years, AI has been trained to recognize patterns, helping scientists predict weather, map the human genome, and even detect new exoplanets. But now, for the first time, AI isn't just analyzing data, it's analyzing the fundamental structure of reality itself. Some physicists have theorized that our universe may not be real in the way we think, but instead a highly sophisticated simulation, an artificial construct running on a level of technology so advanced we can't even comprehend it. If that's true, there should be glitches, small inconsistencies in physics, repeating patterns that shouldn't exist, or strange anomalies hidden deep within the cosmos. And now, Grok the 3rd of May have just found them. Scientists fed massive amounts of cosmic data into Grok 3, expecting to find nothing more than statistical trends. But what they got back was something far more unsettling, evidence that challenges the very foundation of what we believe to be reality. What it just discovered changes everything. Grok 3 isn't like any AI that came before it. Designed to analyze massive datasets, detect anomalies, and predict patterns, it doesn't just process information, it connects seemingly unrelated data points, revealing hidden structures that even the most advanced human scientists might overlook. Unlike traditional AI models that rely on predefined rules, Grok 3 has been trained to think differently. It doesn't just recognize patterns, it searches for meaning within them. It finds correlations where none should exist, links concepts that appear unrelated, and uncovers anomalies that challenge everything we assume to be true. AI has already revolutionized science in ways once thought impossible. It has discovered new exoplanets by analyzing tiny fluctuations in starlight, spotting patterns no human could detect. It cracked the mystery of protein folding, solving a 50-year-old biological puzzle in days. It has rewritten our understanding of materials, medicine, and even human consciousness. But now, Grok 3 is turning its focus to something even bigger, the fundamental nature of reality itself. It's analyzing cosmic radiation, quantum fluctuations, and the underlying structure of the universe in search of answers to one of the most profound questions of all time. But what happens when AI starts questioning the very code of the universe? That's exactly what Grok 3 just did. Simulation theory is one of the most controversial yet compelling ideas in modern science. First proposed by philosopher Nick Bostrom, the theory suggests that if a civilization advances far enough, it will inevitably develop simulations so complex and realistic that the beings inside them wouldn't even realize they were simulated. In other words, if technology continues to evolve, it's statistically more likely that we're inside a simulation rather than existing in a true base reality. Elon Musk is one of the most vocal supporters of this idea, famously stating that the odds we are living in base reality are 1 in billions. Prominent scientists have also questioned whether the universe's mathematical precision and unexplainable anomalies hint at a digital construct rather than a purely physical one. If that's the case, there should be evidence, glitches in reality, patterns that seem too perfect, or physical laws that don't behave the way we expect. That's where AI comes in. Unlike humans, who perceive reality through their limited senses, AI can process trillions of data points, detect inconsistencies, and uncover patterns hidden beneath the surface. If our universe is indeed a simulation, AI might be the first tool capable of proving it. And that's exactly what Grok 3 was recently tasked with doing. Scientists fed it vast amounts of cosmic data, quantum fluctuations, and physical laws, asking it to find anything that seemed unnatural, anything that could suggest we are living in an artificial construct. What Grok 3 found is hard to explain. The AI didn't just find anomalies, it found something that shouldn't be there at all. Grok 3 began detecting repeating patterns in deep space, patterns that, according to our current understanding of the universe, should not exist. These weren't ordinary gravitational formations or standard cosmic structures. Instead, the AI identified highly specific recurring numerical sequences embedded in the cosmic background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang. For years, scientists believed the universe was governed by randomness and entropy. The cosmic background radiation should be a chaotic, natural distribution of energy. But Grok 3 found a level of symmetry that defies explanation, perfect mathematical ratios that mirror structured design rather than random cosmic evolution. Even more unsettling, when analyzing quantum mechanics data, Grok 3 uncovered a peculiar mathematical sequence. The structure of this pattern was eerily similar to error-correcting codes, the same kind used in computer processing. In other words, at the smallest, most fundamental level of reality, Grok 3 found something that looks like lines of code embedded in the fabric of the universe. If the universe were truly random, these patterns shouldn't be there. Instead, what Grok 3 found suggests a design, a construct following specific rules, as if written by an external force. But if that's true, who or what is running the simulation? If Grok 3's findings are correct, we are faced with one of the most unsettling questions in human history: who, or what, is running the simulation? One possibility is that we are inside a simulation created by a post-human civilization, a society so technologically advanced that it has developed the ability to simulate entire universes. If a civilization reaches a stage where it can create hyperrealistic virtual realities, the odds suggest that they would create many, possibly infinite, simulated worlds. In that case, the chances that we exist in the original base reality would be nearly zero. Another theory suggests that we are inside a cosmic-scale research experiment, perhaps run by an advanced alien intelligence far beyond our comprehension. Just as scientists today simulate weather patterns, economic models, and even digital organisms, an advanced intelligence might be simulating an entire universe to study the evolution of life, consciousness, or even physics itself. Then there's the unnerving possibility that we are inside a hyperrealistic game, an artificial construct designed for unknown beings who experience our world as entertainment or as a test of morality, intelligence, or survival. If that's the case, what happens when the game ends? Beyond the question of who or what is behind the simulation, there's an even deeper mystery: what does this mean for us? If we are inside a simulation, does free will exist? Are we making our own choices, or are they just highly advanced algorithms responding to programmed inputs? Could the reason we can't travel faster than light, break the speed of causality, or fully understand quantum mechanics be because the simulation has built-in limitations? And the biggest question of all, can we escape or hack the simulation? If we are inside a programmed reality, is there a way to manipulate its code? Can we find an exploit, a backdoor, or even communicate with whatever or whoever is running it? Scientists have already proposed experiments that hint at the possibility that reality may not be what it seems. The double-slit experiment, quantum superposition, and the holographic principle all suggest that our universe may behave more like a digital construct than a purely physical one. Could AI like Grok 3 eventually detect the ultimate proof? If Grok 3 keeps analyzing data at an unprecedented level, could it one day uncover undeniable evidence? And if that happens, how will reality respond? What do you think? Could AI be the key to proving that we are living inside a simulation? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.